Is your Samsung Galaxy draining battery and overheating after a software update? Here are 20 proven fixes that actually work.
First, wait 48 to 72 hours. After every major update, your phone is re-optimizing apps, re-indexing files, and recalibrating the battery. This is completely normal.
Second, restart your device. Press and hold the power button, tap Restart, and wait 1 minute. This clears temporary files and stops stuck processes.
Third, use Samsung's Optimize Now feature. Go to Settings, then Battery and Device Care, and tap Optimize Now. It closes power-hungry apps, clears cache, and adjusts settings automatically in one tap.
Fourth, put apps into deep sleep. Go to Settings, Battery, Background Usage Limits, then Deep Sleeping Apps. Add apps you rarely use. They will never run in the background again. Be careful not to add essential apps like messaging or banking.
Fifth, enable power saving mode. Swipe down twice for quick settings, then tap Power Saving. This limits CPU speed, reduces brightness, and turns off AOD, significantly reducing battery drain.
Sixth, optimize your display settings. Lower the resolution to FHD+ instead of WQHD+. Set the refresh rate to standard 60 Hz instead of high. Switch to dark mode, which saves power on AMOLED screens. And reduce the screen timeout to 30 seconds.
Seventh, disable Always On Display. Go to Settings, Lock Screen, then Always On Display, and turn it off. AOD runs 24/7 and drains battery even when you are not using your phone.
Eighth, turn off unused connectivity features. Disable nearby device scanning and connections more settings. Turn off Bluetooth when not in use. Disable Wi-Fi scanning and Bluetooth scanning in location settings. Turn off NFC if you do not use Samsung Pay. And disable mobile hotspot when not needed.
Ninth, disable Digital Wellbeing tracking. Go to Settings, Digital Wellbeing. Tap the three-dot menu, choose Settings, and toggle off Usage Data Access. It runs constantly in the background, tracking everything you do.
10th, disable RAM Plus if you have 8 GB of RAM or more. Go to Settings, Device Care, Memory, then RAM Plus, and turn it off. Virtual RAM causes extra storage I/O operations, which generates heat and drains battery. A restart is required.
11th, reduce unnecessary app notifications. Each notification wakes your screen, activates the CPU, and may trigger vibration. Disable notifications for shopping apps, games, and social media. But keep essential ones like banking and messaging enabled. 12th, check for rogue apps. Go to Settings, Battery, and tap the battery usage graph. Look for apps consuming disproportionate battery, especially in the background. Force stop, clear cache, or uninstall any suspicious apps that are draining your battery.
13th, reset your battery stats using a hidden service menu. Open your phone dialer and type *code #9900#. Tap battery stats reset, then confirm and reboot. This recalibrates the battery sensor. Do not change any other settings in this menu.
14th, clear app cache for power-hungry apps. Go to Settings, Apps, select the app, tap Storage, then Clear Cache. Note that clearing cache is safe and does not delete your personal data. It only removes temporary files. 15th, use Safe Mode to diagnose the problem. Long press the power button, then long press power off on screen and tap Safe Mode. Use your phone for 1 to 2 hours. If the phone stays cool, a third-party app is the cause. If it still overheats, the issue is system level.
16th, install the latest software patch. Samsung has acknowledged overheating issues with recent updates and released hotfix patches. Go to Settings, Software Update, and tap Download and Install to get the latest fix.
17th, enable battery protection. Go to Settings, Battery Settings, then Battery Protection. Choose Adaptive Mode, which stops charging at 80% during the night and resumes right before you wake up. This extends long-term battery health. 18th, check your battery health. Go to Settings, Battery Settings, and look for Battery Health. If it shows degraded or below 85% capacity, Consider getting a battery replacement at a Samsung service center.
19th, wipe the cache partition from recovery mode. Power off your phone, connect it via USB to a PC, then hold volume up and power simultaneously. Select Wipe Cache Partition using the volume keys. This clears system-level temporary files without deleting personal data.
20th, and this is the last resort. Perform a factory reset. First, back up all your data using Samsung Cloud or Google Backup. Then go to Settings, General Management, Reset, and tap Factory Reset. After the reset, set up your phone fresh and only reinstall essential apps. This resolves persistent software issues causing battery drain.
Now let us understand why this happens. After a major update, Android reoptimizes every app for the new runtime version. File indexing and cache rebuilding put extra load on the processor. The battery learning algorithm recalibrates, which can cause inaccurate readings temporarily. Samsung also occasionally ships buggy updates that cause excessive background activity. In most cases, the issue resolves itself within 48 to 72 hours.
To prevent future battery drain, keep your software always up to date with the latest patches. Avoid using your phone while charging, as this generates extra heat. Use original Samsung chargers with proper wattage. Review battery usage monthly for any unusual apps, and enable adaptive battery in your settings to let the system optimize automatically.
If this video helped you fix your Samsung battery drain, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below telling us which fix worked for you. Thanks for watching, and take care of your Galaxy.